Hello everyone, in a new video about the popular website AI marketing, which we talked about in the previous video about a month ago. And I have been absent from the channel since then due to a health crisis I went through, but now I am fine and I apologize again for the absence, and I promise you to publish other videos about new ways to make money from the internet in various fields, including what requires investment and some of which you can do without investing. If you are interested in this, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to be notified for new videos. The video and come back, because there are a lot of new details that we will talk about now. There is a lot of talk about this site and some say that it is a scam because the company is Russian, but I personally did not face any problem with the site in terms of payment. I always get paid on my Payeer account without any problems. Therefore, I only invest the money that I am ready to lose in the event that the site becomes a spotter site, and this is what I advise you all. Do not invest the money you need. The best thing to start with is that I will request a withdrawal in front of you and complete the video when I receive payment. I will withdraw $311. I will choose my Payeer account. I will receive $308 and $3 will be deducted as fees. I will stop recording now until I get the payment. See you later.
The next day.
As you can see, I requested the withdrawal yesterday on April 9th. Today morning I received an email from Payeer informing me of the arrival of the payment. We go to my Payeer account to see. As you can see, I received $308 on April 10th, which means that the withdrawal took less than 24 hours. To properly register on the site and get a $50 gift from the site, enter the first link in the description and follow me. Click register now. Enter your name and last name, your email. Choose a password and type it again. This is the INB network interface. It is very important to register on INB network to take advantage of all the benefits because we will also use it for profit, but I leave that for the upcoming videos. After you register on the platform, go to the second link and follow me. After clicking on login, 4 options will appear. We will log in via INB network by clicking on the brain icon, which is something many people overlook. We will find that our account in INB network that we just created, click on it and type the same password. This is the interface of the dashboard of AI marketing. Write a name of your choice for the robot. Watch this short video. After watching the video and clicking on next, we will get $50 as a gift from the site by clicking on buy advertising. As you can see, there are many ways to charge the robot. To get the gift, we click on the gift certificate and copy the code in the description and paste it here. Congratulations for you the $50, which is added to your ads balance. When we return to the My Advertising section, we will find that the robot is off and won't work until 48 hours from now, so that the advertising campaigns that we will profit from will be launched. Of course, the $50 that we got, we will return it to the site later from our profits. The more you deposit, the more you earn. Now we will go to deposit some money with the card to see what happens. As you can see, the site tells us that charging by Visa card or MasterCard is not currently available because the team is currently working on setting up its own electronic bank to avoid transfer fees. But you can pay through Payeer, which is an electronic bank like PayPal and Payeer, which is what I personally use for deposits and withdrawals, but what distinguishes it is that it supports cryptocurrencies, which is a good thing. The site launched its own card because investors complained about the high fees. You can also request it. To request the card, go to the section Cashback Card Pre-Order. As you can see, the current price for obtaining the card is $9.99 for the first 500,000 people who request it, which is a 50% discount. When the required number is met, it will return to its true price. The company will not deduct anything for the card now. Write your name and last name and choose the country in which you live and click on the pre-order card. When the cards are distributed, the company will contact us through its platform. I wish you good luck in your work on this website. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive every new video.